Top Gun, Independence Day, Star Wars. Do you want to control the sky like you do in the movies? Have you ever thought about having a real air combat or an obstacle racing game with friends? Today, the world's first high-definition FPV, infrared shooting competitive DIY UAV Rockee Drone is going to make your dream come true with its strong science and technology. Rockee Drone could connect to the phones through Wi-Fi. Open the exclusive app to control it. Of course, we recommend that you sit into Rockee Drone cockpit with VR glasses and experience the true beauty of FPV competition. The attached remote control is the sensitive console of the cockpit. Rockee Drone will slaughter or be the champion totally under your control. Rockee Drone has 3 levels of speed for you to choose and a gyroscope system, which makes you easily achieve tactical moves such as emergency stop, roll, speed up, and escape in the competition, and brings more suspense and fun to the game. With the high-sensitive infrared module, the competitive results will be accurately determined. With the infrared bullet, you launch hits the enemy plane. The enemy will be out of control and rotate within a short period. Hitting the enemy plane for 4 times could bring it down. Rockee Drone is also equipped with 720p HD camera. The real-time transmission of images could allow you to clearly capture each detail of the battlefield. At the same time, the gyroscope and barometric eye system of Rockee Drone could not only prevent the dizziness brought about by possible dithering, but also offer you high-definition photos and videos. What is even better is Rockee Drone's flight control distance is up to 150 meters. Besides, its absolute ceiling is up to 100 meters. It makes the battlefield bigger than a standard football field. If you scale the Rockee Drone with the F-22 fighters, your battlefield will be wider than the sky of New York. At the same time, Rockee Drone is a DIY UAV. With its modular design, all parts can be easily removed and replaced, which means you can customize your one fighter. Perhaps you are worried that Rockee Drone might be broken because of operational errors? ABS plus PC reinforced plastic shell and ABS malleable fan blade make Rockee Drone more solid and more secure. Rockee Drone Battle Drone, HD FPV, Air Combat, Master Your Sky. Rockee Drone, the world's first FPV high-definition competitive infrared shooting DIY UAV worth buying in 2017. Make every ace pilot dream come true.
PlayStation